Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Right now we are in Wuxi, the factory in the Wuxi site. Right next to me is our latest technology for the hydrostatics test. So right behind me, this machine can do 16 stations at one time. So it can reach 2,500 per hour's capacity if you want. And let's talk about these little machines. We have a cylinder right next to me. Maybe this one is a 25 kg size. And you can, if you have many sizes like a 6 kg size, 25 or even like virus wall, it also can fit in one time. Just have to make sure they are in the same diameters. So let's get closer and have a look. Right, okay. Usually we have a more conveyor, extra conveyor, like 6 meters for the both front and the area. So you will go directly to there and go into the working station. And right here we have a sensor to detect every cylinders, make sure they are in the right position. And right here you can have a look. We have a limiter in both sides, and this one is with the cylinders. When the cylinder is ready, the push cylinder. When our gas cylinder is ready, for example, right here, the cylinder will be detected and go to push and stuck into it. Make sure it won't be moving or anything, like a mixed stable. So let's take a look about the line. Every conveyor have a height. We can do the customizable conveyor height for your factory. For example, it's get higher or lower. It's all possible. So we have a look at about the gauge. With this gauge, you can see the pressure station and easily. For our policy, we have to do like 3.2 MPa for 6 or 30 seconds to make sure the seam is good and take pressure is all right. And we have this one, our cylinder gas water injections. Because the machine has still been in the installation. For example, we will have to push in here, and in the real situation, it will go directly to the bottle side inside and injection the water and keep pressure at the same time. Usually, you have to do like 2 steps. First is put the water inside and then to put the pressure. But for our machines, it's not just 2 steps in one machine, but 3 steps in one machine. After the testing is done, we can refilling the water directly in these machines. So let's talk about the PLC control system we have here. As you can see, we have a PLC system. Let me control it to the English side. And if you want, we can do the various language, Arabian, French, or Espanol. It's all possible. So we have look, it's water discharge time, pressure refill time, keep pressure time, water filling time. All is possible to design. And also we have a I think it's really friendly design that is for the cylinder numbers. You can have a look how much cylinder you have done in this part. For example, like in has been in for 300 and out has been 400 and 500. And the PLC control system or the electrical parts we are using is from the Siemens. So it's very stable, low chance to do the maintenance. All right. And later we will show you. This one is a 6 kg size. And it's ready to be put in right here, right? And later we will have a different size for like a 25 kg and 6 kg together. You can see they are working really well, just like same size. So you only have to make sure your diameters is around the reasonable range. Okay, so this one is our water tank. They will be using to filling and refilling the water will be used. And you can see we have 2 pipes. One is for input, one is for output. And also inside we have a filter to make sure nothing will be conjected to impact our efficiency. So that's pretty much all about the machines. If you want to get more details and quotation, welcome to inquiry and let's have a look for your business what we can do.